Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we dive headfirst into the high-risk world of heavy-duty transport. Hold your breath, because what you're about to see will make your heart pound. Don't blink, don't look away. Let's roll. No hesitation, no second chances. They brought down that old water tank like it owed them something. Steel met gravity, and gravity always wins. This is demolition with purpose. Imagine standing right there watching the crane fall. It looked invincible, but all it took was one weak link in the cable, and everything came crashing down. The truck thought it was the main character, but the tree didn't care about plot armor. One hit, game over. Turns out, the forest has its own rules. Carelessness has a price. He drove off without lowering the dump bed, and now the damage is done. One small mistake. One very expensive lesson. Oh no, that's a $3 million yacht, and it's slipping away like a lost dream. You can almost hear someone's heart shatter in real time. Today's not just a bad day, it's a nightmare on the water. Whoa, a farm machine on a boat? Now that's a whole new level of chaos. And wait, it just twisted midair like it's auditioning for a stunt movie. Gravity doesn't play, and neither does this beast. This is why we have farmers who think fast and act faster. Right there, no hesitation, no fear. He didn't just save a machine. He showed what true grit looks like. A car versus a tank? Yeah, that's not a fight, that's a demolition. Wrong place, wrong time, wrong opponent. Some battles were lost before they even began. Of all the places it could have landed, that branch chose violence. Direct hit, right in the legacy. I couldn't look away. These trucks, wild beasts, tearing up the slope like it's a battlefield. Roaring, climbing, conquering. And the colors? Like war paint in motion. Looks like he loaded it from the outside in, and that's exactly why it buckled.
Holy shit, I told you that. Oh shit. I told you. Yes.
Oh no, that dozer is going down and it's terrifying. You can almost hear the metal screeching, the cable straining with everything it's got. One wrong move, and it could all snap. Looks like this truck comes with extreme unloading mode. No hesitation, no second chances. Just drop it hard and fast. The machine dances on the river, steel gliding over water like it belongs there. Power meets grace in motion. This driver knows exactly how tall that rig is, and he's using every inch to perfection. Precision like this doesn't come easy. This snowplow doesn't just clear the path. It cuts through the storm like a steel blade through ice. A true road maker in a frozen world. Looks like this ride gave up on tires altogether. At this point, it's just dragging itself on pure willpower. Looks like the brakes didn't show up for duty today. This boat's going full send and nothing's stopping it. Something's off, you can see it the moment the rotors spin. This helicopter is losing balance right at liftoff, and that's when things get dangerous. You can see it struggling. The weight's too much, and the boat's feeling it. One more inch, and it could tip. One mistake, one crunch, thousands of dollars in repairs. That's the price of impact. That rock is winning the fight. The crane's straining, creaking. This load is beyond its limit.
Real troço, tá?
Puta merda. Filmou ali? Oh,
Looks like the crane picked a fight with the wrong heavyweight. That excavator isn't moving, the crane is. Well, that didn't last long. One pull and the tractor's head said, "I'm out."
काम खत्म वही हो रहा था कि ट्रैक्टर नोच जाए
When you load a beast onto a toothpick, of course the bridge gave up.
Mandei ela arrochar que ela nem mexeu, né?
The crane's boom is too high, losing balance, tipping dangerously.
Shit.
¿Qué te pasa? Ese loco. No, ahí va a morir, mira.
No, ma.
Se murió ya. ¿Quién se hablamos hoy? No le esperó la máquina. El actor es más guapo. Ahí quedé yo, ahí.